Hello everyone, welcome in the next tutorial. So till now we have created a very good presentation. We have also understood about different points and different features available in the presentation. I hope it is very clear to you. And also we gone through the learning and educations where we created different things, how we can utilize this learning and education for solving exam papers and different things we have considered. Now actually initial stage we have decided to go with these different topics like personal life, business and professional, financial education, and the creating a website. Here we are going to learn about few things only so that you can understand how you can utilize the chat gpt or ai model. So for that purpose we are going to utilize a new features which is called as audio discussion. Okay, so in the personal life I have created few of the important prompts related to what one habit if I practice it consistently for 30 days would have the most positive impact on my life. So this question we are going to ask the chat gpt, but not the similar way what we did earlier, like just texting and getting the answer. But in this tutorial I am going to show you the different mode by which you can interact with the ai model. So now don't waste the time and let us start discussing with the chat gpt. Okay, you can see on the screen we are again on the back of the chat gpt, and here it is asking that how what can I help with. Okay, now you have to press over here use voice model. So the settings of the audio which you can change it from the settings tab. Okay, and in that speech you can utilize any of that, like if you want to have a maple audio, like you can test it.
Hi there. Nice to meet you. I'm excited to help you get things done.
Okay, and I have selected as a juniper.
Hey there. I've got a really great feeling about us.
Okay, so by this way you can select the voice model. This is just for information so that if you want to change anything, or like if you want to have a male voice or female voice, you can select it from here. And the language, if you are speaking some different language other than english, then you can select it so that it can directly discuss on the base language what you have selected. So now I am clicking on this button and I am going to ask few of the things what one can have it. So let me first open up the chat gpt screen. Here what I did, I have opened both the parts on side by side. Okay, so that it will help us to get the answer. So let me go to the voice model. Once you click on that, now I am interacting with ChatGPT. You just understand how I am doing. Hello ChatGPT. I am here to discuss about my personal life and I need your help. What one habit, if I practice consistently for 30 days, would have the most positive impact on my life?
One habit that can have a big positive impact is practicing gratitude daily. You can start by writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This practice can improve your mood, reduce stress, and help you focus on the positive aspects of your life. Give it a try for 30 days and see how it feels.
Thank you, ChatGPT. But now onwards, can you please give me the answer only a one line? Now, my next question is related to which part of my daily routine energize me and which parts drain me.
Sure, reflect on your daily activities to identify what energizes you and what drains you, so you can focus more on the energizing activities and minimize the draining ones.
Got it. And now the next question is how do I manage my time and what does that say about my priorities?
Managing your time reveals your priorities. If you allocate time to important tasks, it shows their priority in your life. Use tools like calendars or to-do lists to align your time with what matters most to you.
Okay, got it. So I need to focus on more the to-do list. So can you please help me to prepare my to-do list?
Of course, start by listing your tasks for the day. Prioritize them by importance and set realistic deadlines. Break big tasks into smaller steps and review your list regularly to stay on track.
Okay, got it. Thank you so much. We'll discuss later on. Thank you. So, did you check how I utilize this model? So, whatever we have discussed, automatically it is written down as a chat box, so that for the reference you can also go through that. So, by this way, this is just a prompt which I have utilized over here, so that you can also understand that how you can utilize the personal life related to the discussion with the chat GPT. So this is does not mean that only three questions I can ask, but I can ask number of questions with interlinking with each others, so that it is like a robotic teacher which is working for you and giving the answer by what you want. So that likewise you utilize this chat gpt more, and if you have any query to utilizing, please ask me. I am also here to guide you so that you can learn it well. So in this tutorial we have understand about the personal life and how you can utilize this chat gpt model, which is voice over model, so that you can understand it well. Hope you have enjoyed this lecture, and the next lecture we are going to understand about the different modes of gpts. So be with the course. Happy learning. Thank you.